We are at ACMEE exhibition, Machine Tools and Auto Show at Chennai, and we are here fundamentally to, with the help of customers, to master quality. Chennai is called the Detroit of India, and there's a lot of automotive customers around. We have a lot of installations and activities going on here in our offices. So this exhibition, we expect a lot of customers to visit us. What, Hemanth?
Absolutely.
And we have a wonderful stall here with a lot of metrology equipments around you, and we are looking forward to having a set of new and old customers come to us and want to have a good discussion with them.
Yeah.
So,
Hi.
hi.
So my name is Hemanth Kumar. I head sales in Zeiss. Now I think my journey in Zeiss is about 17 years. Many ACMEs we have seen,
Yeah,
and there was a break in between during the pandemic. But post-pandemic, this is the second ACME
second
exhibition,
right.
and we always look forward for this exhibition because for Chennai-based customer, Chennai as well as Coimbatore, this is a very important exhibition, and we always showcase our latest product in this exhibition so that customer can come in, feel what is the latest technology available from Zeiss, and
Right.
nowadays there are a lot of knowledge requirement for the customer because of the new field coming in. That is where we want to showcase our product so that we can solve their problems. So that's the whole meaning
Purpose
or
to be
purpose for
here.
this exhibition.
So in the past, maybe just to get our journey, as Hemanth said, in the past we used to have a very small stall for ACME. It starts from probably 2002 or so, but we have had more about 15 ACMEs, I would say. But today I think we have a stall of 66 square meters, and we have about 6 equipments, starting with CMMs, which you see in the front of the hall. So anything special about this CMM thing?
The first and foremost thing is all the CMs are made in India.
Oh, yeah. So Make in India is what we celebrate along with measure or master quality in India.
Yeah.
So that is the theme we want to take it to the customers. Make in India, also measure in India with our support.
Absolutely. And of course, what you see here is the physical structure of the machine, which has gone little bit of changes, but a lot of changes has come in the software. So that's what we also like to
Right.
inform to customer that there are a lot of new things in the software
Right.
which customer can gain out of it.
Right. So Zeiss Quality Suite is something, the software, which is a invisible item, but which is what is making the customer's life easier.
Actually,
So I think that has been fleshed out very nicely in the media. So Zeiss Quality Suite is something we want to stress upon. We would like customers to come and talk to us on this suite, how it can solve the problems. So that's a key topic. And to start with, maybe talk something about what is behind Hemanth. That is kind of what is our key focus. So I think you being the X-ray, what should I say, cheerleader for Zeiss, so please tell us something about.
of course, the journey for X-ray to Zeiss started in India in 2015. But for our headquarters, it started in 2005. So we started about 10 years later. Then it started in Germany. But from 2015 until now, 2023, we could add many products for X-ray portfolio. Starts from CT metrology,
Right,
and now we are into 2D space.
right,
And we understand that Indian customers look more for 2D space because
right,
of the huge base what we have for the casting, aluminum casting market. And I would say, I mean, we know that in last 2 years it's quite
right.
successful because we have many installation with
Correct.
prime customers.
So what we see from the customer's development, as you know, Hemanth, when we have seen is that lightweighting and the economic shift what is going on in the world.
Correct.
There is a lot of customers who would like to have real quality products in aluminium with understanding the internal details, porosity and lightweighting. So these two topics is moving our X-ray series forward in a big way. And you want to explain a little bit? you want to just give a idea of what
Of
is
course,
what,
yes.
it would help.
So, for the
customers.
product segment in X-ray, we have 4 different segments in X-ray. On the left side, top corner, you can see that's a CT machine. It's called metrology CT, based out of lab configuration, which means this machine is suitable for 20 plus minus 2, and it has got high precision measurement. So that's what you see, and there you can accommodate large parts of size 800 mm height to 600 mm diameter. That's what typically the customer uses for the purpose. And again, on the right side, you can see this is our again a lab machine, but it gets into a little bit of sub-micron level. So there it is 5 microns and above. Here it is 1 micron and below.
If I
So
can
this is what
add, Hemanth, that's for production and this for R&D.
yeah,
And this is for a two-dimensional or aluminium part production.
yeah,
That's kind of Bozolo Max is what Indian industry is lapping up today.
yep.
So that's a mission if you guys want, if the customers would like to have a demo, walk in. And probably a message to the customers who are looking at it is, any of the machines what you see here is not just as a photo here, it's available in our technical centers. So walk in, talk to us, we should be able to give you a demo. You can witness what we are talking before you procure.
And nowadays, people are talking about 100% inspection. When it comes to X-ray, generally
Right, right.
the time taken for 3D measurement is longer, but the Volumax systems what we have, it is meant for shop floor and 100% inspection. So that way, we have lab machine, then we have high precision nano resolution machines. We have 100% inspection machine and as well as 2D machine. So this covers the entire X-ray portfolio, which I think only Zeiss has got that flexibility.
Exactly. I think we do have a wide portfolio. We are in Chennai particularly, we are very well known for the CMMs, the Spectrum, Contura and Acura and so on. We are very well known for the last 50 years, and we do have some missions which are working for more than
I think the oldest machine what we have in Chennai is about more than 35 years.
35 years old. But we have expanded, we have moved on to various product lines like optical scanning just behind me, GOM Scan 1. We have the GOM Scan 1. So this is a reverse engineering tool, probably the best one available in the market. Very easy to use. Again, the power lies in the software, the Zeiss Quality Suite, which gives you the impetus that this can do a lot of wonderful things. Look at it in the YouTube or walk into any of our centers to have a demonstration. Moving on, as you can see here, we have a optical microscope. The microscope technology in Zeiss is 176 years old. We were kind of probably our origin equipment. So we have a lot of lot of USPs, a lot of knowledge out here.
Yes.
And would you like to say something about this equipment?
I would like to ask you a question,
Yeah.
because microscope, if you look at any labs, it's a common tool. Microscope is what you just magnify and look at the
Yeah,
object.
it's
But the latest innovation from Zeiss is now catching up the market quite fast. So
yeah,
if you can talk something about that.
yeah. So the analogy to microscopy is to look for a defect in a haystack or a large data set. So it is always good that we have what is called a correlative microscopy, where you can look at the problem in a microscope, then move it on to an electron microscope, which is an advanced microscope, or move it onto the X-ray.
Yeah.
So we have the capability to move things, look for a haystack, look for a needle in a haystack in a much more effective and a faster way. So customers expect a faster solution to any problem, to find out the issue, to a much quicker path. So we have the quicker path developed and patented where we can use it. So I think this is what I would say what we cover: X-ray, scanning and microscopy. The other tools are very well known to the customers, and we look forward to our customers and maybe good relations. We have fantastic relations with customers, so we would like them to visit us like a marriage, what happens in India. Please visit us, spend time with us, and then we can always have a nice time. Technology will stay, but relationships is what makes business happen.
Yeah, I mean, just in continuation to what you have explained about the microscopy, the biggest advantage is the connectivity of
Yeah, right.
the software between microscope, electron microscope, as well as the X-ray. If you connect these dots, the customer always get a bigger picture. That is what I think the industry is looking forward.
Correct.
We have developed this for the customer
Correct.
benefit, and this will be a huge advantage when they work on the new materials,
Right.
new segments. So that is where we are going to add strength to our customers.
Right. One particular example I can say is battery, lithium battery cells, which we are talking quite, is kind of a in thing. So for lithium battery cells to move on from nano measurements to micron measurements, we have the flexibility. Talking about markets, that's one of the new
New
markets what we
markets,
tap.
yeah.
EV electric vehicle market where things have undergone a big change under the hood of the car.
Yeah.
Things are completely different. What you need is different technologies, different application concepts. So the quality suite would provide you the requisite application topics to handle the upcoming changes in the electric vehicle market.